Hey everybody, how's it going? So since I started doing YouTube, I've gotten a lot of requests for coaching and just advice on how to do real estate media. And honestly, although I try to answer everything in the comments, sometimes I just can't answer everything in the best way through just commenting. So what I did was I created an online community. That way you can learn real estate media directly from me. Think about it like this. It's like having a mentor and a personal coach for real estate media. It includes self-guided learning materials in like a course style, as well as personal coaching directly from me. This is different than just watching my YouTube videos because honestly, that stuff just kind of scratches the surface and it's pretty general just for everybody to learn something off of. But with this, you're going to get actual feedback from me directly on how I can improve your real estate media business. This community is going to cover everything from the technical side of actually shooting real estate media and the business side, so you're going to see how to run it effectively. And the best thing about this community is the fact that it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. This is literally $35 per month, and it's paid on a monthly basis. It's not paid up front or anything for the year. It's literally just paid $35 a month, and you get access to this, and you can cancel at any time. There's no hidden upfront costs or nothing like that. I wanted to make this as affordable as I could, that way I could help as many people as possible. This community is driven by the members that are in it. I'm going to be creating tailored material for you guys. That way it evolves over time and you can learn directly from me. If you'd like to sign up, all you have to do is go to the link in the description. I'd love to see you there and I want to help as many people as possible. That's all I have for now. I'll see you in the community.